Hello everyone. Do you know how to compress data in Kafka? Kafka supports various compression mechanism, and this is critical while dealing with large Kafka clusters that handles a lot of large messages, because the messages that you produce, it gets saved in the brokers, in the disk of the brokers, and if you don't compress, it will consume a lot of disk space, and also it takes a lot of time. If basically, as the size of the data or the message is larger, it takes a lot of network traffic as well. So there are two ways to handle this compression. So one is we can configure the compression at the topic level. Second is at the producer level. So by default, the Kafka, so the top in the topics, so the configuration is whatever compression we are configuring at the producer level for the messages, that will be handled inside the topic. But if you are setting a compression mechanism at the topic, what will happen is whatever messages you sent to the topic, it will be compressed in that particular compression format. The various compression formats that supported by Kafka are gzip, snappy, lz4 and Zstandard. Okay, so I am explaining, I am showing a way to configure the compression at the producer level here. So if you see here, this is like a Python program. It's a simple Python producer, and in the producer, so the place where we create the producer instance. So in that we have an option called compression type, and if you configure the compression type over here, the message that goes to this Kafka topic from this producer will be compressed, and when we take this message or when we read this message from the consumer, it will be uncompressed automatically at the time of consumption. So the user doesn't have to worry about this. So it will get compressed, and it will be stored, retained in the broker, and whenever the user reads it from the consumer, it will be automatically uncompressed. So this is an optimization technique. So you can try it and make use of this configuration. I hope this tip is helpful. Thank you very much.